Namaste. Welcome to Parametric Solution. My name is Tirupati Naik, trainer and director and life business coach. आज का इस एपिसोड में आपको मैं VMC प्रोग्राम के बारे में डिटेल ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग कैसे आप अटेंड कर सकते हैं. If you are a fresh and beginner, this is most important that you can step by step listen these videos. आप सुन के अच्छी तरह से आप एक्सपर्ट बन सकते हैं. That is a one option. Another is like if you are our student and you learn in our institute with our faculty or from my side, and you can practice at home by observing these video link which is available on the social media, as well as we send these links on your WhatsApp. Just I am sharing the screen. You will find a link which is available on your WhatsApp. Just click on the link which is received on your WhatsApp. Once you click, you will go to this page. Okay. Second one option is like you will be getting this link tr.ee/Tirupati Naik 2. Here you can click online learning course. You just click over here. You will go to this particular page and click here once. Now you will find. So दोस्तों ये जो ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम है absolutely free है. Around 9,000 rupees cost of the course. You will learn step by step skill learning for VMC programming in this. You will find all the topics are available step by step. That is the topic 1, which is history of CNC. There are 2 topics are there. The coordinate system, reference position. There are different types of topics. Around 11 topics are there. How you can observe and you learn this by just clicking on a preview. Just click on the preview and you will go to the first topic, that is the history card. That is the syllabus. You can read the entire syllabus, what are the topic covered in the VMC. Then next toward the left side, you will find the topic next. Click on here and then you can observe this particular topic step by step. You can switch on the video and the audio. Just I will share you this screen program. Thank you once again. I hope you can be hearing the sound now. So this is how you can listen to the topic. Then you can go to the next topic once you complete that. And just click here.
We have to understand the toolpath generating by using
like that step by step. You can learn this topic. Once you go through all the topics, you can practice step by step, day by day, and you can become an expert in this VMC field. And you can get a better job and you can earn a good amount of salary. And all the best for your life. And be connected with Parametric Solution by subscribing our YouTube channel, and you can click on like buttons. Thank you so much.